Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from GreenDot to Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Link Banks, then select Link Debit Card. Enter your GreenDot card details, card number, expiration, and CVV. Don't have a card? Tap No Card and hit Continue. Search and select Green Dot from the bank list. Log in using your Green Dot credentials to link your account. Return to the home screen, tap the bank icon, then tap Add Cash. Choose or enter the amount, then tap Add to transfer funds. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Green Dot to Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.